missing. Join is unable to find. But the table I have checked in the meta link also for email addresses only. There is no other table.
Okay. I think that table is not there. I think it is some other table. But when I try to check in the this one HDL related na, in the HDL users DAT file, there I think it is a hidden object or something that is it is showing.
Extensible flex field we'll see today.
In the flex field, I try to that field is there na user email that related.
Extensible flex fields. So we will discuss the example of dev 18. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage locations page. Create the location. So guys, here when you create a location, right? So the location related departments we need to add. For example, one location we have multiple departments, right? So one location we have multiple departments. So how we are going to add the multiple departments in each page? So we are going to add the one location. We are going to have a multiple departments. So this multiple departments concept we are going to achieve using extensible flex fields. This multiple department concept we are going to achieve using extensible flex fields. So what we will do? So I already told right, it will come in the tabular format. So when you add the extensible flex fields, it will come in the table format. The EPT number, here on top of that text box will come. Add department. So add department is the button name or plus icon, something like that. Plus icon. So what this plus will do? So when you press the plus, this row will be created. The row creation logic we no need to write, but it automatically Oracle Fusion will be taken care. Understand, right? So this department number we are going to take as DPD number. We will consider, we will apply format only value set. DPD number will apply the format only value set. Dname we will apply. DPD number we will apply the format only value set. Dname we will apply the independent value set. So you remember we have created independent value set, right? That independent value set will apply the dname. So department number we will apply the format only value set that we have created day before yesterday class, and department name will apply the independent value set. So at the end, the screen will come like this, and department name it will have a list of values that will come from the independent value set data. Department value will be accept only number. Why? Because this format only value set we added number data type. So now what we will do? Department name. For first of all, navigate to extensible flex fields. Navigate extensible flex field screen. Identify the location flex field. Identify the location flex field. Identify the location. Setup and maintenance. Manage applications. Manage extensible flex fields. Manage extensible flex fields. So here you can search the location ways. Search the location. Search the location. So here you have to take this legislative is not for our requirement. So location information EFF is our location page related. So what you will do, you click on, you take this one. Location page. So what you will do, select this row, update, select this row update. Okay. Analyze. This row, manage context. Manage context. Click on plus. Click on plus. Click on plus. Here, context usages is in context usages. You can click on plus. You can add the location. Okay. So click on save. Once you press, once you add the location, and click on plus save, this place will be enabled. Click on save. Display name, location, EFF. This name can be any name. So this behavior should be multi rows. This behavior should be multiple rows. Okay. Save. So after the save button press, this place will be enabled. After the save button press, this place will be enabled. After this save button press, this place will be enabled. So now what I will do, click on plus. Click on plus to create the fields. So what fields we need to add? We need to add the department number and department name. We need to add the department number and department name. Click on plus. So I am going to add the DPT number. Data type, no, data type will be number. So the data of this DPT number will be stored into LEI information number one column table column name. Okay. So value set name. Value set name. Value set name. What is that value set name? PLA. This one, right? I think. Yeah, this one. So this is the value set name. Okay. Display size 10. Display height 10. Okay. So department number we have created. So click on save. Save. Now here there is option to create the save to create another one. Save and create another one. So we have added the department number. So we are going to create another save and create another one. Rename. Data type should be character. So it will store into LEI information one. So department names we have created one. Independent department value set. So this one we have created day before yesterday. Independent department value set. Department name. Take the drop down list. Display size 10. Height 10. Like this. Understand or not? Save. Save and close. So we added the department number and department name for the extensible flex fields. Understand or not? Save and close. So this is the location EFF with the name of the EFF. So for the department number, we have mapped this format only value set. That means in the location page, department number field should accept only numbers. So why it will accept only number? Because we have applied the value, this value set to this department number. Department name field. So we have applied this independent department value set. So this department value set we have added account something we added. So that we have mapped to department name. Okay. Save and close. Save and close. Whichever the columns you are adding, right? Department number, department name, or some columns you are adding, right? At least one of the columns should be unique. So for when you are enabling the multi-rows, right? So when you are enabling the multi-rows, make sure that one of the columns should be unique from the columns. For example, you're adding 2 columns, right? At least one of the columns should be unique. So for that, unique key should be checked. Unique key should be checked. Save and close. Save and close. So we added the location EFF column, multiple rows. Save and close. And guys, the important thing is, let me show you. Important thing is the location, whatever the department data we added right now. So that information where you want to display in the page. So in the location page, let me go to location page, setup and maintenance, search, manage, many locations, many locations. Here the location. In the location page, there are many sections are there, legislative information, and something is in the United States reporting information, something in the United States veteran reporting information, something in there. So from these multiple sections, so where you want to add your department information, where you want to add the department information, you want to add in the below or you want to add in the top. So that we need to, so that will be taken care by, this associated context and pages. So that will be taken care by these associated context and pages. So the order of the department information where you want to display, so that will be taken care by this associated context and pages. So order of the associated context and pages will be taken care by order of the department information will be taken care by these associated context and pages. But there is some issue in the instance or maybe browser issue. So this plus is disabled, right? This plus is disabled. So we need to make this plus should be up. We need to make this plus should be enabled. So for that, you need to do some kind of relogin. 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 So relogin. Setup and maintenance. Principal. Many extensible flex fields. Patient. See now this plus is enabled, right? So previously that plus was not enabled because that browser issue or maybe instance issue are there, you need to re-log in. So now what we will do here, with the plus icon, too. So what is our EFF name which I have created? This is the EFF name which I have created. Hmm. Search the location EFF, click on apply, click on OK. So location EFF added. So after we add this location EFF, so that must be registered in the pages also. Location EFF we add here, so that must be registered in the pages also. So that must be registered in the pages. So what you will do, what you need to do, you need to press on save button. So after you press the save button, so go to the pages, go to the pages. So see now here 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 10, 20 something is there, right? So this is the order. This is the order in the location page. If you see, I will show you that. Actions. So if you look at this one, something Spanish property not rendered. So this is the first three. Spanish property rendered, Spanish property rentals, property location for span. This is another there, na? So for example, now I would like to add on top of this Spanish property not rented. Here I want to display my department information. So what you will do, click on plus. So our EFF name. So what is our EFF name? This is our EFF name. Like this. Now what you will do, you mention 1 year sequence. Sequence you mention 1 year. Sequence 1 you can mention. Save and close. So after you add the location here, guys. So as usual, you know, right? Deployment status it is showing as grayed out, right? Deployment status it is showing as grayed out. So what I will do, I will make the deploy flex field. Deploy flex field. So now you now log out and log in. Now let me check the location page, setup and maintenance. Search, manage, locations. So now if you look at this one, you will see the department. So actually instead of location AFF, I should have mentioned department something here. So the plus icon also came. Hmm? So what I will do here, I will mention HYD location, something. HYD location code. Hmm? State, state, state 2. So now click on plus. Department number by I will mention wrong data. A1, 2, 3. Department name. So this data we have read in the value set, right? Department name admin. So here it is coming error, right? Why it is coming error? Because department number we have applied the format only value set, right? So that is the reason it is showing as error. Hmm. Click on this. Department name finance. Department number. Something. Two rows I'm adding. Hmm? So that means Hyderabad location we have a two departments are there. In Hyderabad location we have a two departments are there. See, save. So, submit. So now we need to verify guys to whether the location have a that location have a department stored or not. HYD Hyderabad location code. Hmm? This is Hyderabad location code. You can maintain it. Okay. Now you will see the two records, department number and department name. So why it is coming dot 00 something, right? So we have mentioned the number format scalable something we have mentioned, right? So that is coming. You don't mention the scalable option. So then this dot dot 00 will not come. And where this data will store in the backend table. Where this data will be stored in the backend table. But one thing you have to understand, guys. So you remember in the last example, we have seen the this one country and city, right? The country and city column data has stored into only one table, right? Only one table. But here, uh, this is different, guys. Here the process is the main page. So that means the main location information will store into one table. That against location related this department child data will be stored into different table. So this location information will store into one table. The location related departments will store into another table. So what we will do, go to the percentage, browse catalog.
Sir, location EFF is our table name, sir.
Which one?
Location EFF.
This one, huh?
No, sir, below one. The table name.
No, this is not table name.
Yeah.
EFF name. We have created. This is the data we have created. This is the location data, sample data we have created in the
By
front end.
which table name is created, sir? That data store.
Yeah, that I am checking now.
Okay, sir.
Data. Per underscore location is correct. Location. Our locations. Huh? So what we will do? So take this internal location code. Internal location code. Internal location code. Where internal location code equal to M. But here this is the location information, right? So, but the location against department information will be stored into department that is different table. So so what I will suggest you is you find out the table name for the location against departments. So this location is the data, right? This location data is storing fine, but this location against departments that extra information, right? So there must be some different table will be there. Per location extra info something will be there. So can you try to find out that a link between per location table and that extra info table? So I'm giving the exercise to you for identification of the location extra information another table and what is the link between this table and that table.
Hi, that is given by Oracle or dynamically created when we insert the data.
No, Oracle definitely Oracle given that.
Okay, to the standard the table only the data will comes.
Yeah, yes, correct.
Okay.
So that is the reason I'm giving something homework to you to identify the another table for the extra information. So for this table and that table, definitely the join will be there. So we need to find out that join what is the link between this table and that table. So you just research on the OER and other the internet and find out the extra information table. Okay. And we will conclude that tomorrow this one key flex fields and lookups. So with that tomorrow it will complete the that all topics of value sets and all these things. Monday freshly will start the BIP.
Sir, I think tomorrow we
Mock
have
interview.
mock.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, mock interview. Okay, we'll take Sunday class then. Okay.